Hi, I'm Marna, and sadly this is the last day of the Advent calendar that I have been doing with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. We each sent one another 8 gifts, and oh my goodness, what the ladies did send. Oh, I am over the moon with these gifts. 8 times 3 is 24, which was perfect for an Advent calendar, December 1st through the 24th. If you haven't seen all of the videos, you might want to go back and take a look. I will be my dolls will be wearing these outfits in the next Advent calendar that you see. And I can't wait. I am, like I said, over the moon about these items. Here is the last package in my big jar that was, probably up to here with some sticking up when we first started this. This one is from Beth Ramsden, and I want to open carefully. This is a nice piece of paper, and I do reuse these. I wrap a lot of small items because of the dolls. So I do try to save that. And you can also, as I've said before in other Advent videos, you can use those the scores in the back as graphing paper. Oh, look at this. I know what it is because I saw Tammy and Jay open this, hoping that I would get one. This is a cookie from Scotland.
Oh, thank you, Beth. I knew you'd come through for me. Thank you. Oh, you should show it still.
Well, let me show the cow and then we'll split it with coffee.
Split it.
Highland, I love these Highland cattle. That is just, I love it, Beth. Thank you so much. Ladies, I cannot thank you enough for not only the items that you sent, but for participating and enjoying this Advent calendar with me. I also want to thank you because I got all those blow molds so I could mix it up, mix it up for the openings. Thank you, everyone, especially those who have watched every day and every channel. We honestly appreciate it. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to each of the channels.